From Harrington Classic Car Restorations in Asheboro, North Carolina. Here's a before. There's a 69 Chevelle. This one just got stripped and epoxied. You need to do body work to it, so that's before. Here's during. We have a 68 Chevelle. This is the shop Chevelle. All the panels from Auto Metal Direct. So that's during. It's ready for primer. And here's after. All we did though is paint the frame and the underfloor. Had to fix the underfloor real quick. Put all the suspension, painted all the suspension parts. And here is a frame for a 70 Chevelle that we have. The Ellie Chevelle, so if you look back at the videos you can see what we've done to that one. Customer did all this work himself, did a really good job. So we're hoping to have that body shell back on this frame hopefully by next week or so. So there's your 3 stages of getting Chevelles done. And this one's almost ready for paint. It's all been sanded with 320. Need to block it out with 400 and 600 and finish painting it. This is the one we need to put on the frame. We also need to paint the inside of that Fathom Blue. So stay tuned for all these projects.